Hi guys, welcome back to our kitchen where awesome recipes are born. Today I will show you how to make savory snack that everybody loves, which is Chinese DX. Yes, it's the same one this 7-Eleven, or you may eat it at Chinese restaurants or from street vendors. They are really delicious and you can easily make them at home, and if you do it right, they will be just as tasty as the ones you have eaten. So let's do this thing. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is boil the eggs. I'm boiling 6 eggs. You have two options, soft boil or hard boil. I'm making hard boiled eggs, so I'm boiling them for 10 minutes. If you want soft boiled egg, you can boil them for 6.5 minutes. Add a bit of salt when you're boiling the egg, about 1 teaspoon. Put the lid on and boil them for 10 minutes. So once the 10 minutes up, you need to put the eggs into the ice cold water. We're doing this to stop the eggs from cooking. So they will start cooking once they are in the ice cold water. Let's prepare the marinade liquid now. So just add 1 liter of water, should be enough to cover all 6 eggs. And we're just gonna add some black peppercorn and bay leaf. You can use dry or fresh bay leaves. I just gonna use dry bay leaf. 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. You can use cinnamon stick if you have it, or just use cinnamon powder. Stir in it. So if you don't have all those spice, I just put in. Use 3 tablespoons of white spice as a substitute. You also need to add tea bags. These are just regular Lipton tea bag. I'm just gonna put in 2. I only put in 2 because I also gonna add these dry Chinese tea leaves that we have at home. If you have them, you can just put those in, or you can just add 3 or 4 tea bags. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then 5 teaspoons of sugar as well, and 3 tablespoons of salt. Okay, so all the ingredients are in. So just put the lid on and reduce for 10 minutes. So while we simmering the liquid, we're gonna crack the eggs. Just use the back of the spoon and just gently tap the egg and make crack. The more crack, the better. So it will be more beautiful, and also the flavor liquid can go in easily. So just gently crack all around the egg. Just be extra careful if you're using soft boiled egg. And also make sure the shell doesn't come off, but it wouldn't be the end of the world if it does. Okay, so our marinade is nicely cooked, so let's prepare to seed the eggs in the liquid. Put all 6 eggs in the bag and another plastic bag, and then just pour the liquid into the bag. So just seal it with a rubber band. Okay, so the bag is nicely sealed, and that's it. You're just gonna put that in a bowl or container if you want, and we're just gonna put this in the fridge for 24 hours and it's ready to eat. But if you want stronger flavor, you can leave it a bit longer. It's up to you, but 24 hours is enough, so let's do that. So I made these eggs about 24 hours ago just to show you how it will look. Okay, so let's peel them off. Okay, so let's try the taste. It's really good. You can taste all the layers of flavor. Delicious, and it's easy to make. So give it a go at home. You will love them. Okay, so that's it for today. Be sure to like this video and also subscribe if you haven't. I'll be back with more awesome recipe later. So until then, ciao!